Technology is now a stack. You don't need to look far to find evidence of this idea. There are any number of technology blogs, websites and newsletters that use this word to describe the combined, layered and interwoven nature of the various technology components that we now engineer into the IT stack that any business now needs. If we accept that the IT function now runs on a multi-tiered stack of coalesced technologies, then what shape should it be and from what base materials should it be formed? CEO of Cloud Database as a Service, DBAS, company DataStax Chet Kapoor says that the first consideration should always be data. He insists that we can't form any type of functional stack unless we think about the needs of the data it serves. With a key focus on real-time data, DataStax is not averse to referring to old-fashioned data i.e. the now comparatively static way we use to gather information, filter it, store it and then, now and again, perform some type of action to access it, to duplicate, normalize and parse it so that we could plug it into an analysis engine and attempt to get some insights out of it. Today we live in a world where customers want instantaneous experiences, and Kapoor says that this immediacy is being further accelerated by the growth of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, both of which are helping to increase the cadence of user expectations. The question now comes down to what happens in the deeper recesses of the IT stack engine room, i.e. the place where a lot of our corporate data often gets dumped to buy us time to think about when we can perform jobs with it. That place is the data lake. We need to move on from the data lake and start navigating the data river, says Kapoor. Data really is like water in that it's everywhere. It comes in various stable states and forms. It is an essential part of our lifeblood and people want to consume it. But most of all, data is like water because it is constantly in motion and it needs to be ubiquitous. All of which is cute enough as an illustrative analogy, but we have to realize that data is a whole lot more unwieldy than water. It is unstructured, variegated and certainly doesn't all fit in the. To really stretch the analogy, getting data to where it needs to be often involves complex extract, transform and load, ETL, processes. And this is not just a question of turning on a tap. Kapoor reflects on his many years working in the uber-distributed world of middleware and admits that the database world is highly fragmented.